Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this beautiful hijab. Without further ado, let's get started. So for this particular style, you'll be needing 1.5 yards of fabric or 1 trouser length of fabric, depending on the measurements that you'll be using. Fold your fabric into two. After folding it into two, you are going to fold it diagonally this way into two again. So you are folding your fabric into 4. On the upper part of the cone, you are going to go in by 7 inches from the folded edge. Then from that 7-inch mark, you are going to go down by 17 inches, which is the midpoint of the hijab on the folded edge. Then on the side, you will measure 11 inches, which is going to be your hijab side. Then you are going to cut it out. You are going to separate the side too. So that means you've cut both the front and back part of the lower part of your hijab. So for the upper part of your hijab, you are going to fold your fabric into 4 also. From the folded edge, you go in by 5 inches since we are making use of a stretchy material. Then for the length, you'll be making use of 15 inches and you'll go in by 7 inches on this lower part also. For the side measurement, you'll be using 13 inches. Then you cut everything out. Now to your hijab cap, you are going to fold your fabric into 4. The hijab cap height is going to be 4 inches and the width is going to be 6 inches. Then you cut it out. After cutting it out, you are going to notch the midpoint. For the ruffles on the front part of your hijab, you are going to cut a fabric that is 2 inches in width. If you want the ruffles to be wider, then you can increase it to 3 inches in width. So I'm going to cut out several fabric that is 2 inches in width, and I'll be joining everything together. After joining them together to make a very long rope, I'm going to weave both ends and I'll gather it. After gathering the fabric, this is what it is going to look like. You are going to run the gather stitch on the middle part of that 2-inch fabric that you made after weaving or hemming both ends of the fabric. To sew the ruffles on the front part of your hijab, you are going to place the lower part of your hijab, which is meant for the front part. You place it with the right side facing up. Then you use your chalk to draw the line where you will be sewing on. You are not going to sew the gathers on the edge of your fabric because you will be joining other parts of your hijab to it. So you are going to leave at least 1.5 inches from the upper part of your fabric. You come down by 1.5 or 2 inches. Then you are going to sew it on it. You place the gathers on the right side of the fabric. The wrong side of your gathers is going to be placed on the right side of your fabric, and you will be sewing on the middle part of the gathers this way. So you are going to sew on the line that you marked earlier. After sewing the first one, this is what you are going to have. Then you are going to measure 1 inches away from the first gathers, and that is where you will be sewing your second gathers. After sewing the second gathers, you repeat the same thing. You come down by 1 inch away from the second gathers and you are going to mark it, and that is where the third line is going to be. Now this is what the front part of the hijab is going to look like after sewing your gathers on it. The next thing you will do is you are going to pick the upper part that is meant for the front part of your hijab. You pick it, fold the lower part, which is that 7 inches wide area that you measured earlier, fold it into 2, notch the midpoint, fold this lower part of the front part of your hijab to fold the next part into 2, notch the midpoint. Then you'll be placing the 2 notch points on each other with the right sides facing each other. This way you're going to place it on it, align it, and you align both fabrics together and you sew it down. And that is that for the front part of your hijab. After doing that, the next thing is to work on the back part of your hijab. So you are going to sew the upper part and the lower part of the back part of your hijab together. You will notch the midpoint of the neckline of both the upper and the lower part, which is where you measure that 7 inches. So the width is going to be 14 inches. Fold it into two, notch the midpoint, and you're going to repeat the same thing. Place both the necklines on each other, making sure that the notch points align with the right sides facing each other, and you're going to sew it together this way. Once you are done with that, it's time to join the front and back panels together. You are going to place the back panel on the front panel with the right side facing each other, and you are going to join the sides together this way. After sewing both sides, you are going to fold your face opening into two, and you will notch the midpoint of the back part of your hijab. After doing that, you are going to fold your hijab cap into two with the wrong sides facing each other so that the right side will be outside. Then you place the notch point of your hijab cap on the notch point that you just made on the neckline. You are going to place the notch points on each other with the right sides facing each other. Align your hijab cap, and you are going to sew it down. After sewing it, you are going to hem all the ends, and that is that on how to make this beautiful simple hijab. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section. Have a great day, ma. Salam.